and my blood just starts to leak. Psychopaths tie me to a leash. Do not let me free. Y'all just see the other side of me. Let me free. All these demons taking over me. They just wanna see me go to sleep. Falling deep. I just see the darkness taking.
What's going on, guys? I'm Buddha and Xenon, so back with another reaction, man. Today we're here with Big YAYA, and this is called Compressor, shot by Hayden. No, I
think Hayden Picasso.
Is it Haitian? Picasso? I don't know. Let us know down below. But if you guys do enjoy, drop a like, subscribe, and it's good answers, man. Probably pronounced it all wrong, but it is what it is, man.
Fucking biggest Grinch. Yeah. OG Grinchster. Yeah. Kitchen came with a compressor. It did. Auntie that's drink on the dresser. Got the same plot, but I get a lesser. Push away, now I turn to a flexor. I can tell it's fire by the texture. I got bitches say I'm a bad texter. I don't talk the jewelry impressor. Gotta drop a mother, now her neck hurt. Chasing money every day, and my leg hurt. My being brother, you saw me bad work. It don't matter, I can get off bad work. Never had a job, but I had mad work. Christian on the other side, mad hurt. I'm in Christian D on the past. I ain't built for a pill like tax. Such a European, so I waxed. Pussy water got me going fast. My ice on, turn a trap to a last. No walking in town, about to go to Nebraska. Get money first, and we cut ops after. Bought a tool and it came with a ladder. Drunk at 8, now I got a bad bladder. I'll smash, fucking make that matter. When I get a drop, gotta make it matter. Grinch or a dude, tell her what would you rather. 10 hoes in the truck, tell them gather. Got the cake, let me get that batter. This shit fat, but I seen fatter. My finger getting skinny, but I'm getting fatter. I make the glitch out on chatter. You ain't talking money, I lost data. Subtracted my friends, the money I added. I'm in yellow tip until I'm back up. Took an L, I felt like I got back.
Hold on, dude had a whole little collection of vacuums in here. What the? Yo, you got like the new model of every new.
VR on top too.
Damn.
Subtracted my friends, the money I added. I'm in yellow tip until I'm back up. Took an L, I felt like I got back up. Underground, but I got my racks up. We right there, they thought that they passed us. The streets cold, make a warm heart master. We got everything in stock, can't tax it. I'm off for the done. Lil' bro like to slide for the journal roll. Like, yeah, how you drink so the pack you ain't touch. Take yours off the top, just give me my cut. Straight Grinch and ain't thinking it's love. Like the mouth the first one fuck. Drop a foot in the form of my cup. Vince Carter, my trap house jump. Walking to and I pay what I want. I'm for something when you serve your own. Spend a K on my jeans, no shorts. No shorts today, no shorts. Yeah. The kitchen came with a compressor. Auntie that's drink on the dresser. Got the same plot, but I get a lesser. Push away, now I turn to a flexor. I can tell it's fire by the texture. Bad bitches say I'm a bad texter. I don't talk the jewelry impressor. Gotta drop a mother, now her neck hurt.
Okay. Alright. Hey, first time react to this dude. Hey, what y'all thought about that? Let us know down below. If y'all did enjoy, drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.